Pretty girl. Beautiful girl. Daddy love you, you know. So beautiful. Alright. Hush little baby, don't say a word. Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. So bro, how you feeling since you kick Octavia out? I don't feel no way still no man. I can invite any girl more invite. I not fear her nagging anymore. Or her hunger belly. That me I get tired of too. How much money we spend on a girl too? Buy KFC. Yeah, man, she can eat a lot and she's not even fat, man. She was annoying as hell. I don't know how you put up with her so long. Yo, stop your nights. Go play some video game. Eat the food there later. Murder, make a murder you in a boy. Shit. Oh, frig, man. Yo, which one he gone? Her friend's house, I think. How come I see her talk to Aisha no more? What going with the two owner? What going with the two owner, eh? You break up with her or something? Oh, that girl is weird as hell, man. She wanted to do like... Oh, shit. Like threesomes and that type of shit. You know, that's weird as hell. I mean, it's fun at first, but after a while, she was wanting to do some more kinky stuff. Oh, my little brother get threesome. You broke out easy faster than me, man. If you still page her, man, just tell her say you don't want to do with them something there where you don't want to do. If you know fun girl, you girl let me know. Or you end up with one girl like Octavia. I don't know, I kinda like Annie's friend. She's cool and everything, she's a nice girl, but I don't know if Annie will have an issue with me talking to her.
So what you think you do? You think say you in here not help me clean up or nothing? You just sit down out there and watch TV? You think Anthony house this, my girl? Go and go do something in the house, you know. You say you don't have the baby. Alright, you don't have no excuse now. Get up and go do something in the house.
Hi Anthony, how's the baby and everything? What's going on? We don't know. Can't hear from you from man. You don't even call me or nothing and tell me what I go on. Yo man, she couldn't worry about nothing. You know she got alright what she did with me. So why you feel show me a bag of attitude from? I just ask if for baby alright. What the hell you going so far? You always a deal with me and we. What me do you Anthony? Yo, You don't talk? I'm not have time for the foolishness now, Octavia. What you call me for?
Me no wonder if I coulda come over and come talk to you about some stuff, you know? If you mind.
Yo, Octavia, I'm in a bag of talking with you, you know. What you want? Just tell me up on the phone what you want, no?
I just want to talk to you. Why is that so bad that I want to talk to you? Why you have to make a big deal about everything, Anthony? We can't just come see and talk to you. I feel like if I talk to you in a person, I feel like it's better for the both of we if I see you in a person, alright? I'm not in an argument with you, Anthony. I swear.
Yo, alright, you can come forward with my house later, okay? I'm just in a big bag of long talking with you. Come I don't tell you already say, me you done, I don't want to deal with you no more. So come see what you gonna say and that's it, alright?
Alright, cool. Later, Anthony. So, Sean, what's going on with you? How's everything?
Yo, I'm good, you know, mommy. I'm just there, deal with some things. Why not come look for me sometime? I want you meet my girlfriend, you know. You gonna really like her, man. She cool and everything.
I'm kind of just keeping low right now, especially since your father been acting kind of crazy. I don't really want him find out which palm I live too.
Yo, I don't know what I'm on the problem, you know, man.
I'm getting sick and tired of him. Him keep texting me and calling off my phone, talking about how him love me and miss me like him not get it.
Yo, mommy, if you try to understand, you know. I use him head pan you, you know.
I know that, Sean. That's why I'm staying away from him.
I still can't believe you make him sell grandpa house.
There's nothing I can do, Sean. His name was in the house. I can't change
Oh,
it.
me barely
Can't
fight
fix
for the
it.
house. You just make him sell it, so. You know me here, say? Me here say him there with the pastor daughter, you know.
What you really telling me right now?
Yeah, mom, me here say him there with the pastor daughter. A weird thing, man. She about my age, don't it?
And he had the nerve to talk about me and Rick. He's so full of it. I'm so glad he's out of my life. I'm just sick and tired of him. I don't even like hearing about him. I swear to you. I just hope him just leave me alone. I blocked his number, but he keep using the other number for calling me.
Hold on, mom, let me take the call, yeah. Yo, hold on, babes. I'm so far, man. My mother just have a little reason, alright? Don't worry about it, man. Me buy some KFC. Yeah, man. My mother said she want to see it too, you know. So maybe next week you come page her with me. Alright. So come on, okay? I love you. Later. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, that good too, man. God for hear that. Alright. Later, babes. Love you.
Sean, I really want you to take care of yourself, okay? I'll make sure you come visit me again, alright?
Alright, don't worry about nothing, mommy. Me look for you, okay? Make sure you take care of yourself too, okay? Tell Rick and me heal him up, alright? I love you, mommy. Later.
Come in my room, na daddy.
You're brave, you know.
After me na care about she lucky.
I want you to do something for me. I want to have a threesome. But I want you to help me. Convince she to do it.
No worry about it. Me talk to her for you.
Yeah, man, I want to do some new things.
Don't worry, Daddy. May do anything for you. Love you, know.
So you call yourself my friend? And you didn't even come look for me after everything what happened.
I want to see you. I'm not to come look for you, you know. You're too full of yourself, Annie.
What that have to do with full of self?
You always think say you're better than me, and look now.
Me feel like see me better than you? After everything we do for you? Kill lunch money at school and everything? And this is how you deal with me?
What, you vex? Your face burn up now? The man not gonna look for you no more? Me I'll be the hot girl at school now. Don't worry about nothing.
So that you concerned about? For being hot girl in a school? I thought we were friends.
You was never my friend. You always have me wrong cause you think say you're more than me. True, you have more money than me. But look for you now. You're ugly. Burn out face, girl. Ugly girl.
Say that again.
Alright, you're there. Say what you want to know. I'll get this over with. I have some things to do. I'm very busy.
Just want to apologize to you, Anthony. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. After sorry now, I'm not changing the fact how you disrespect man. Woman spend money on you.
I was depressed, Anthony. That's all, alright? You don't have to act like that. Anthony, you know I love you. I love you from when at primary school.
No, me they love you. You never rate me. But I will it in Octavia and come with foolishness.
Don't you think it's best for a daughter that we raise her together? You don't have to act like this, Anthony. I know you love me too.
Yo, Octavia, just go on your yard and leave me alone, you know.
Anthony, please. I'm really sorry, Anthony, alright? Please don't do this to me, Anthony, please. I'm gonna change my ways. Please make me come back, please.